Are you tired of staring at that stubborn belly fat in the mirror every morning? Have you tried countless diets and exercise routines only to be disappointed by the lack of results? Well, my friend, you're not alone. Many of us struggle to shed those extra pounds, especially around the midsection. But fear not, because today I'm going to share with you a comprehensive guide to getting rid of belly fat in just 30 days. Get ready to transform your body and reclaim your confidence like never before. Introduction. Setting the stage. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty of our fat-blasting exercises, let's take a moment to understand what belly fat is and why it's so stubborn. Belly fat, also known as visceral fat, is not just a cosmetic issue. It's a health concern that's linked to an increased risk of heart disease, diabetes, and other chronic conditions. Unlike subcutaneous fat, which lies just beneath the skin, visceral fat wraps around your internal organs, posing a serious threat to your health. So why is belly fat so hard to lose? Well, it's a combination of factors, including genetics, hormones, diet, and lifestyle. But the good news is that with the right approach, you can banish belly fat for good and unveil the toned, sculpted midsection you've always dreamed of. The main event: 5 fat-burning exercises. Now that we've set the stage, let's get down to business. Here are 5 powerhouse exercises that will torch belly fat, sculpt lean muscle, and leave you feeling stronger and more confident than ever before. 1. Running, unlocking your potential. Picture this. You step outside, the sun is shining, and the open road stretches out before you. You lace up your sneakers, hit play on your favorite playlist, and take off at a brisk pace. Running isn't just about putting one foot in front of the other. It's about unlocking the incredible potential of your body. When you run, your heart rate elevates, your muscles engage, and your lungs work overtime to deliver oxygen to your cells. But running isn't just a cardiovascular workout. It's also a potent fat-burning exercise. As you pound the pavement, your body taps into its fat stores for energy, torching calories and melting away stubborn belly fat. But the benefits of running extend far beyond fat loss. Running is also a mood booster, stress reliever, and confidence builder. So lace up those sneakers, hit the pavement, and watch as your body transforms with each step. 2. Jumping jacks, a childhood favorite. Reimagined. Next up, we have jumping jacks. Remember doing these in gym class as a kid? Well, it turns out they're not just for kids. They're also a powerful fat-burning exercise for adults. When you perform jumping jacks, you engage multiple muscle groups simultaneously, including your legs, arms, and core. This comprehensive engagement revs up your metabolism, torching calories and melting away belly fat with each repetition. But the benefits of jumping jacks don't stop there. They're also a great cardiovascular workout, improving your heart health and endurance. Plus, they're fun, simple, and require no special equipment, just you and a little bit of space. So why not add jumping jacks to your workout routine and watch as your belly fat disappears before your eyes. 3. Squats, building strength from the ground up. Now, let's talk about squats. You might think of squats as just a leg exercise, but there's so much more than that. With each squat, you engage your entire lower body, including your quads, glutes, and hamstrings, as well as your core and back muscles. But squats aren't just about building strength. They're also a potent fat-burning exercise. As you lower into the squat position, your muscles work overtime to support your body weight, torching calories and melting away belly fat in the process. But perhaps the best thing about squats is their versatility. You can do them anywhere, anytime, with or without weights. So whether you're at the gym, in your living room, or even at the office, you can sneak in a quick squat session and watch as your belly fat disappears before your eyes. 4. Jumping rope. Cardio with a twist, moving onto jumping rope. Remember skipping rope as a kid? Well, it turns out it's not just child's play. It's also a powerful fat-burning exercise for adults. you jump rope, you engage multiple muscle groups simultaneously, including your legs, arms, and core. This comprehensive engagement revs up your metabolism, torching calories and melting away belly fat with each jump. But the benefits of jumping rope don't stop there. It's also a great cardiovascular workout, improving your heart health and endurance. Plus, it's fun, challenging, and can be done virtually anywhere. So why not dust off that old jump rope and add it to your workout routine? 5. Burpees, the ultimate full-body workout. Last, but certainly not least, we have burpees. Ah, the dreaded burpee. The exercise we love to hate but can't deny its effectiveness. Burpees are the ultimate full-body workout, engaging multiple muscle groups simultaneously and torching calories at a rapid pace. With each burpee, you're not just doing a simple movement, you're working your arms, chest, abs, legs, and glutes, all while elevating your heart rate and blasting away belly fat. But perhaps the best thing about burpees is their efficiency. In just a few minutes, you can complete a full-body workout that will leave you feeling sweaty, exhausted, and incredibly accomplished. So why not embrace the burpee and watch as your belly fat disappears before your eyes? Conclusion: your journey to a fitter, healthier you, and there you have it. 5 powerhouse exercises to help you banish belly fat and reclaim your confidence in just 30 days. Whether you're pounding the pavement, jumping for joy, squatting like a pro, skipping rope, or conquering the burpee, remember that consistency is key. Stick to your routine, stay motivated, and watch as your body transforms before your eyes. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, please make sure to like and subscribe for more fitness tips and workouts. Together, we can achieve our fitness goals and become the healthiest, happiest versions of ourselves. See you soon.